In this tutorial I will show you how to create these creative healthy vegetarian restaurant food flyer design step by step in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. From file, place shape 1 image. To download these images, link is provided in description, check it out. Then select curvature pen tool. Left click to insert points as shown. After creating shape from top panel, change fill color as per the hex code. Copy this hex code. Also keep stroke as per the hex code. Keep stroke size to 10 pixels. Make changes in stroke and its alignment is shown. Similarly, create this part using curvature pen tool. After creating both shapes, delete image layer. Then from file, place shape 2 image. Select curvature pen tool and follow the process. Keep fill as per the hex code. And keep stroke to none. Similarly, create leftover shape parts using the same process. Copy this hex code. Similarly, create leftover parts. After creating all shapes, delete image layer. Then select all shape layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as shapes. Then from file, place veg salad image. Place it accordingly as shown. Place this layer below shapes group. Adjust the image accordingly. Then select type tool. Left click and insert text. From properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Similarly, insert leftover text and copy its properties as shown. Select Type tool, left-click and drag to make selection. Paste your text here. Copy text properties. Adjust the text accordingly. Then select all related text layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Veg Text. Then from File, place Social Icons image. Resize and position it accordingly as shown. Hold Alt key and left-click on layer to make selection. From Fill or Adjustments, select Solid Color. Select Color using Eyedropper tool or copy this hex code. After creating solid fill layer, delete image layer. Then select Type tool and add website text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Similarly, add remaining text. Select text layers along with icons using Shift key and group them. Name it as Socials. Then select Type tool. Type 15% off text here. Copy font style and text settings accordingly. Select both text layers and group them. Name it as 15% off. Then select Lasso tool. Create a shape of drop as shown. Then from Fill or Adjustments, select Solid Color. Select Color using Eyedropper tool. Resize and place it accordingly as shown. Similarly, create these shapes using Lasso tool and Solid Fill. Group them and name it as Drop Shapes. Then select top group layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.